Doesn't get any better than this.
That was great. Here comes Jack up over the hill and down the road.
Started up, feel bad, sad night, never saw a red light, signs were screaming all around, I pulled on over and I shut her down, the black cop gave me a shot with his gun, set up against the wall, don't make a run, they got me on milk and alcohol, got me on milk and alcohol.
Woohoo!
Woo! It's so sexy!
Somebody's calling us.
Yeah, let's see who. Hello? Oh my God!
Tell them.
We're on a real steep slope. It's so thick. It's way past my knees. Jack just took some video of me.
I'm still taking video.
It's Lorraine.
Ah.